The alarm panel is designed with a touch screen for more convenient operation. Install this alarm system. When there is an illegal entry into a house, the alarm will ring at the scene. The alarm information will send to your mobile app, and the alarm panel will automatically dial the preset mobile phone number. This alarm panel supports dual Wi-Fi and the GSM network communication and the Tuya app connection. Support multiple arm and disarm methods. Panel control, remote control, Tuya app remote control, RFID tag control.
System disarmed. System armed.
Door and window sensor. Install on the door and the windows. When someone opens the door or window illegally, the sensor will send an alarm signal to the host machine. The host machine will sound the alarm immediately and send an alarm notification. This door and the window sensor also supports temporal alarm. Easy to install. Install in the corner of the room or on the flat wall. Motion detector. Under the deployment stage, if movement is detected in the home, will trigger an alarm. Wireless siren. Used to extend the alarm sound. When the alarm is triggered, it can conduct on-site alarm through sound and light, usually used in large houses, so you can get the alert information in time. Combustible gas detector. Used to detect the concentration of combustible gas around. When the concentration of the combustible gas exceeds the set value, the detector will make a sound and send an alarm to the host machine for you to deal with the hidden danger in time. Even you are not at home, you can get the alarm information through the app on your phone. Smoke detector. Detect the ambient smoke concentration in time. When fire smoke is detected, an alarm will be triggered immediately, allow you to deal with or evacuate in time. Solar outdoor siren. Used to extend the alarm sound, generally installed outside. The alarm is powered by a built-in battery and solar energy. It's a real implemented wireless connection. When an alarm is triggered at the scene, the siren will sound a loud decibel alarm immediately and a flashing red light.